At the supermarket. One sunny Saturday morning, Anna asks her husband, Tom, to go to the supermarket. Anna writes a list for Tom. She gives him a small shopping list and some money. She says, Tom, we need milk, eggs, bread, cheese, apples, and rice. Don't forget, okay? Tom smiles and says, no problem, Anna. I will get everything. But Tom is a little clumsy and very forgetful. Tom walks to the supermarket, whistling a happy tune. He feels proud to help Anna. But suddenly, on the way, the shopping list flies out of his hand and into the street. Tom watches it float away. Oh no, he says. But he thinks, it's okay. I remember everything. When Tom arrives at the supermarket, he walks up and down the aisles, trying to remember the list. But he can't remember. Did Anna want potatoes? Or maybe bananas? Tom puts a big watermelon in the cart. Then he grabs a jar of pickles. He also sees some candy and puts that in the cart too. Tom thinks, this looks like a good list. Tom goes to the cashier to pay. The cashier says, that will be $30. Tom reaches into his pocket, but he finds nothing. No money. Oh no, he says. Tom forgot the money at home. Tom feels a little embarrassed. The cashier gives him a funny look. Do you want to come back with the money? She asks. Tom says, yes, I'm so sorry, and hurries out of the supermarket. When he gets home, Anna sees him and asks, where are the groceries, Tom? Tom scratches his head and says, well, I lost the list, forgot what to buy, and I didn't have any money. Anna laughs and says, oh, Tom, what will I do with you? She takes his hand and says, come on, let's go together. So, Anna and Tom go to the supermarket together, and this time, they get all the groceries they need.